Hello students and welcome to your English language class. Today in this class we will be taking up the last and final tense, the perfect tense. Okay, so the perfect tense, firstly we'll be talking about the present perfect tense. Now what is present perfect tense? Basically, in present perfect tense, an action that started in the past and is still connected with the present is indicated. Okay, like for example, um, let us take this sentence: I have known him since 1999. So maybe it is okay, it is the year 2020 and I know him since 1999. Okay, so many since so many years I know him. Okay, so I've started knowing him in the year 1999. मैं उसको कब से जानता हूँ? मैं उसको 1999 से जानता हूँ. ओके, तो पास्ट की बात है. पास्ट में मेरी जान पहचान उससे हुई थी, बट आई स्टिल नो हिम, राइट? So it is somehow connected with the present. So present perfect tense basically is something which started in the past and it is still somehow connected with the future, with the present, sorry. The present perfect tense cannot be used if the past action is not connected with the present time in some way. Okay, अगर कोई चीज़ past में हुई है but it is not connected with the present, then we cannot use present perfect tense for that. Okay. Now sentence in the diagram tells us that I came to know him in 99 and I still know him. We use the present perfect tense here since the past action of getting to know a person is connected to the speaker's present. So somehow the speaker's present is still connected with the past because he knows that person since 99. Okay. So present perfect tense बेटा हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब आपका present जो है वो past से कहीं ना कहीं connected होता है. Like for example, read the following sentences. Now this is the structure. I have known him since 2000. We have known him since 2000 and so on. And she has eaten her dinner. He has eaten his dinner. Simran has eaten her dinner. Okay. The sentences given above are in the present perfect tense. In both the sentences, a group of words is used to express the time of the action, have known or has eaten. Okay. तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है कहाँ पे आपको हैव यूज़ करना है, कहाँ आपको हैज़ यूज़ करना है. ही, शी और थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर के साथ आप हमेशा हैज़ यूज़ करते हैं. एंड फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर प्लूरल, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल के साथ आप हैव यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, so this you have to keep in mind. And the structure here is the present perfect tense is equal to auxiliary verb has or have according to the subject plus past participle form of the main verb. Okay, now where all do we use present perfect tense? Firstly, to indicate a finished action that has its impact or result in the present. Okay, the policeman has shot the terrorist. Okay, so something that has been some action that has been finished, but somehow it's the impact is still continued in the present. Secondly, to refer to an activity or an event that occurred in the past. Have you been to Singapore? अगर कोई एक्टिविटी या इवेंट आपने पास्ट में किया है तो उसके लिए भी हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ कर सकते हैं. To convey news, the Prime Minister has signed the nuclear deal with the USA for an action repeated till the present. I have listened to the song 4 times since afternoon. So मैंने हो सकता है दोपहर से सुनना शुरू किया था ये म्यूज़िक और अभी रात हो गई है. So दोपहर से अब तक मैं वो 4 बार सुन चुका हूँ वो सॉन्ग. Okay. And lastly, to indicate an action that started in the past and still going on. Like for example, I have always admired you. Okay. तो मैं पहले भी तुम्हें एडमायर करता था और अब भी तुम्हें एडमायर करता हूँ. Now here's one practice exercise for you. Make at least 10 sentences using the words in the following table. You may not have to use words from all the columns for every sentence. Okay. आपको इस टेबल में जितने ये वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं इनको मिक्स एंड मैच करके sentences फ्रेम करने हैं. Okay. So let me just help you in this. First sentence will be I have already sent the telegram to her. Second, we have just finished lunch. Third, you have always helped him. Fourth, she has prepared lunch. Fifth, he has already submitted the report. Sixth, they have just arrived in time. Seventh, I have just received the letter from my father. Eighth, we have always admired her. Ninth, he has already mentioned it. And 10th, they have already spoken to him. Okay, so likewise you can mix and match all these words and make your own sentences for present perfect tense. Okay, now here's this match the sentence given in column A with the name of the tenses they are given in column B. Okay, basically you have to match the sentence with its tense. So first sentence is Geeta told me about it. So told is simple past. Okay, so Geeta told me about it is, you can just write the number or you can just match it with simple past. Either you can write 3 in front of it or you can just match it with simple past. So Geeta told me about it is in simple past. Second is Raja has never been to Jaipur. So this is present perfect. Okay, Raja has never been to Jaipur is present perfect. C, I am a vegetarian. Simple present, right? D, Mr. Basak has been teaching maths for the last 10 years. This is present perfect continuous. Has been teaching. Okay, so present perfect continuous. Ritesh hadn't been paying attention in studies. This is your past perfect continuous. Had use हो गया तो past perfect हो गया. ये past perfect continuous. ing लगा हुआ है, that's why it is continuous. और past में हुआ ये काम, so past perfect continuous. Past में हुआ है but it is still going on. Okay, so past perfect continuous. The principal inaugurated the new building yesterday is simple past. I had met your brother before is past perfect. Mrs. Mukherjee likes my daughter very much is simple present. I had already done my shopping for the festival is past perfect. J, Ali will receive the guest from the airport tomorrow, simple future. The travelers had been walking for 5 hours, past perfect continuous. And last is, I shall always remain grateful to my teachers, simple future. Okay, so you have to just match all these sentences with their tenses. Okay, given in the column B. Okay, so we have finished your chapter verbs, tenses. You just complete all the exercise and you have to do all these exercise in your grammar notebook and submit your homework by 3 o'clock in the English homework group. Okay, by 3 o'clock tomorrow. And thank you for watching this video.